Hi, I'm Matt Norman with Florida Native Boat Sales on board a 2012 Seafox 286 Commander. It's a new brokerage listing of mine, and I have the opportunity to walk you guys through this boat in detail. Come join me. We'll start in the transom of the boat. We're powered with twin Yamaha 250 4-strokes 2016s with super low hours, only 238 hours on these Yamaha 250s. This boat has been the same owner since 2013, so only a 2-owner boat. As you'll see throughout this video, we have a lot of major updates done in 2022 and 2023. Twin Yamaha 250 is going to pack plenty of power for this boat, and it's going to be able to get you, the range and the speeds you need. Also, new steering, C-Star power assist steering that was done in 2022 on these engines, so you're really good to go there. Slide a little bit further forward. Want to point out that this model's got 2 entries, so it's really easy to get in and out of the boat from either side thanks to these hidden flip-up transom seats. So you have 2 per side. Cushions can remove, and they both tuck in and out of the way. The boarding ladder, so if you are going to dive this boat, this owner has been a big diver himself, so you're going to be able to easily access the boarding ladder stowed here on the transom and put it right down in the water. In between these 2 transom seats is the first of 2 live wells built in, and then right in front of that, again, since this gentleman has been a diver, are 3 dive tank rack holders side by side by side. So it's a great spot to have dive tanks ready to go. You can have DCs on them out of the way. When those are folded down, the aft cockpit is very spacious. We have diamond style non-skid that I'm standing on, offers really good traction. This boat's a self-bailing cockpit. You got 2 outboard cockpit drains, and then port and starboard side are your in-floor fish boxes. They're both designed to be macerated. The starboard one functions. The port one macerator pump is currently in op. So we also have new batteries installed in 2022. And there's 4 of them, 2 for the engines dedicated and 2 for running the house systems. So nice AGMs, marine batteries, easy to get to right here. And then on either side of that hatch are your battery switches to operate those batteries. So nice, convenient, easy to turn them on right when you first get in and out of the boat. Taking a closer look here on the back side of the leaning post, fully featured, you'll see the second live well with a vertical opening right here, and it is cavernous. We have a hidden bait prep area and then a tackle storage for pliers, leaders, tackle bags. Keeping along the fishing theme, we got trolling rod holders on both sides of the gunnels in the aft, along with a pair of cup holders. The upholstery you'll see throughout the video, also done in 2022. So good quality condition, not a bunch of rips, tears, and cracks, and under gunnel rod holders on both sides, port and starboard. Moving toward the console, on the port side, we have a dedicated storage for a removable cooler, and then your freshwater and saltwater washdown systems. First thing I want to highlight up here at this Helm station is 1, the newer upholstery, and then 2, I love the fact that it gives you the option to have driver or passenger fold down or flip up bolster seats. So right now we have the driver folded up so I can slide in here and stand very nicely, but then easily able to flip it down and have a fold down footrest. And now from a locked in seated position, you're tucked in from the side, and I have good visibility looking forward. So as we look forward, first thing you notice is that big, bright, beautiful Simrad 16-inch MFD. So it's the Evo 3S unit from Simrad. That's going to handle all your chart plotting capability, your depth sounding, and the 2022 radar up above us. So this is going to be your command center here. A lot of great features. We love this unit here. It's got the ability to do all kinds of different mapping. You can curtail it and customize a whole lot of functionality with it. Sliding over to the right of the Simrad, we have a standard Horizon VHF fusion head unit that powers JL speakers. Those were also done in 2022. Then your Yamaha tax and fuel management. So it's going to give you all the important readout information, everything from engine hours to volts, miles per gallon, gallons per hour. We drop down below the GPS is your buttons for your lights and pumps. The steering wheel's on a tilt helm. allowing you to adjust to different driver profiles. And then also rounding out the console, we have your windlass, your anchor windlass control right here. Your binnacle, of course, to control the engines, a few cup holders, even a quick little spot for a cell phone nook, and then more dry storage under this glove compartment. So above us, we have a nice hardtop, fiberglass hardtop, throwing a ton of shade. Integrated into that hardtop, we have a electronics box storage hatch. Also gives you good access to the rigging. And then we have lighting here for spreader lights, courtesy lights, and a couple of those newer JL audio speakers. So walking down the side of the boat midship, highlighting on the port side, we have the massive console storage hatch and access to your onboard toilet. And then also pointing out how much freeboard this boat's got, how nice and deep this cockpit is. It's hitting me almost at my waist, and I have grab handles just about everywhere I need to if I'm making my way forward in rough seas. I've made my way all the way to the bow of the 286 Commander, and this 2012 shines up here. There's a ton of real estate for seating. You can get around really easy, and then I'm exampling the nice lounge seats. It's very comfortable. I have this backrest. I'm kind of tucked in here. I got a grab handle right here. If you are going to do some entertaining, this is a great platform to do it on, and it is very comfortable. Again, pointing out how nice and good quality the upholstery is. Taking a look right behind me, we have the removable Minn Kota 36-volt trolling motor. If you're a Gulf Coast bottom fisherman, you're gonna really appreciate the ability to spot lock that trolling motor and use it for bottom fishing. Also equally important is this Lumar ProFish electric windlass for anchoring in deeper water. Makes anchoring on your spot a breeze, whether that is in deep water fishing or even just having a fun day at the sandbar. So not only is there a spacious amount of seating up here, but there's a ton of storage to mention. First off, the in-floor box with 2 molded in 5-gallon bucket holsters. And then underneath this upholstery, which removes in a pinch, is 2 storage lockers under here for great personal effects or safety gear. And lastly, up on top of the hardtop here in the bow is a 2022 pan and tilt spotlight with remote control. Underneath that is going to be your forward spreader lights and another pair of JL speakers. So it's been a pleasure walking you through in depth on this 2012 Seafox 286 Commander. For more information on this boat or others, please reach out, FloridaNativeBoatSales.com or any of my social channels. It's been Matt Norman. We'll see you on the water.